you are one of the reasons, and some other Igbo people are one of the reasons why the general public and every other person in the country feels like Igbo people are not good people to deal with. A lot of people, oh, don't deal with that person, Igbo person, they like money, oh, they can cheat, oh, they are wayo people, oh, they don't rule this country, they rule this country, they will sell this country because of people like you. How dare you? Look at what you did, collected the money from the public. Good morning, guys. How you all doing? I'm gonna post this video this morning, right now. Anybody that sees this, fine. I'm calling a spade a spade. It's about time we started calling a spade a spade. Say the truth when you see it, okay? Some Igbo people, note me, mark this, underline it, highlight it. Some Igbo people, some fraction of Igbo people. I'll continue, okay? Blessing, see you. Okay, for that nonsense, okay, for cancer. That thing you said about cancer, the way you put your account number publicly, your account number is not supposed to be like private or something. You are not asking, you're not working for the public, you're working for yourself. You formulated that you had cancer and people donated to you, and you had the guts to even come out to say, did you put gun on their head? For gullible people, because I remember I said it, and some people, some born fools, some gullible people here said, oh, it's a medical case, stop it. But you are one of the reasons, and some other Igbo people are one of the reasons why the general public and every other person in the country feels like Igbo people are not good people to deal with. A lot of people, oh, don't deal with that person, Igbo person, they like money, oh, they can cheat, oh, they are wayo people, oh, they don't rule this country, they rule this country, they will sell this country because of people like you. How dare you? Look at what you did, collected the money from the public and did everything, and you still have the guts, you still have the mind to be what? You people are one of the people. And see, I'm going to call a spade a spade. Okay? If we are talking about something, we want to trash something, we want to trash corruption, we feel victimized, we start from ourselves. Okay? Today I went to get something. The thing, I was supposed to get it lesser, but I went to an Igbo man's shop and I got that thing 3 times the original price. He didn't tell me because I was a novice. He even didn't know I was speaking Igbo because I wore a long jalampia. He told the next guy, because I heard it, I kept quiet. So I got up there when he left, and I told the guy, okay, if you go one night walking in me, okay, if you go one night, you have seen what our own brother is doing. He now says, so you are Igbo. I said, yes, I am very Igbo. I am very Igbo. So guys, let me tell you, we have a lot of hardworking people in Igbo land. We have beautiful, good people, good morals, educated people, intellectuals, people that can lead us. Look at P2B, look at people that can lead us. But let us not exclude this. Don't, because of bigotry and tribal war and everything, don't get blinded, because I know a lot of people will come. Why did you call Igbo? Let me tell you, there are some fractions of people in Igbo land that are big time disgrace. There are some fractions of people that you cannot give money. You are abroad, you cannot give your brother money in Nigeria because your brother will eat the money. Some of you, the houses they told you they were building, they built this for themselves. They never built this for you. You left your house here, your money, your cars, they sold your cars and everything. And this is your Igbo brother. Some of the time, your blood brother. Let us call a spade a spade. If you really want a good country, you want structure, you want to lead the country, start by example. There are a lot of things, and this decay is going. But yet we are putting ourselves together. Igbo, we are Igbos. In that Igbo, let us code ourselves. I know other tribes do their own. I know they have their own manipulations. I know they have their ways of operation. I am talking to our own people now. Blessing, see you, that's bullshit. Yeah, nonsense. Yeah, total nonsense. If nobody is telling you, I don't really care. In where or any cancer, you are not on any damn stage 4 cancer. And you have the God, you are putting as a joke. Is it a joke? You are completely disgracing us, and then you are robbing Igbo people thieves. And tomorrow, when our brother or anybody wants to contest, just okay to give Igbo people at least the name, they will not, because other people will feel like, yes, people like you that have influence. You're a crazy ass woman. You're a crazy ass woman. I can tell you that for free. And you're a disgrace, big time disgrace. Look at, if you are broke, why don't you say you are broke and beg your normal fans and they will come for you? And most of all these blinded fans, you're not supporting somebody. If you are supporting somebody and the person is wrong, call the person out. Call the person out. Tell the person, this thing you're doing is not good. Call the person out. This is public theft. And you're not different from the politicians you are calling, because you're a thief. You're stealing what you did. You stole public funds. You should start refunding it. Go to the bank, tell the bank to reverse money that came to your account. That period of time, before Thunder will fire you, and you have the guts. Go and hide your face. Go and, if you want to see, let me tell you something. You better come out to apologize to the people that sent you money. Someone sent you 1 million, Abi. You're using to eat crap. This thing is painful. Let me tell you the truth. If you want good structure, start it from yourself. Some of you doesn't have the time to paint pictures, okay? I won't. If you really want good structure, you should start it by yourself. And how do you start by yourself? Start to lead by example. Live by example. Stay by example. Okay? Let me tell you something. Not because we are all Igbos, we will not say that they are bad Igbos.